At KRATOS Safety, our strength is simple, and what sets us apart starts at the source. We control the entire value chain, from design to manufacturing, quality control to market launch, after-sales service to training our partners and users. The manufacturing monitoring required by European regulations, applied to a single production site, makes our products, technical documentation, and regulatory support clear and consistent. This total vertical integration allows us to ensure the traceability, adaptability, and performance of each product and each service. Every technical detail evolves more quickly, every innovation is more accurate, and every product is more reliable, thanks to the proximity between research and development, production, control, market launch, and users. Our control over this entire cycle gives us unique agility. For nearly 15 years, our visionary approach has guaranteed technical consistency and total independence, rather than fragmented supply schemes with sometimes heterogeneous logic, such as multi-sourcing. KRATOS Safety is a brand, a manufacturing site, and a commitment to our customers, uncompromising safety.